In this video and the next couple, we are going to try to answer a very basic question. What is LangChain and why do we choose it to use it at all? What is it really doing for us? Now answering this question is a little bit more challenging than you might expect. So to answer this, we are going to go through a little bit of a process in this video and the next couple. So here's what we are going to do. We'll look at a web application called pdf.ai. It's a web app which is being built by a team, not me, but we'll build a similar clone of this product. It takes PDF document and allows you to ask ChatGPT questions about the contents of the document. I'll give a quick demo of this in just a moment. Once we understand what this app is doing, we are going to go a little bit behind the scenes and understand how this application probably works, how it somehow reads PDF and somehow gets ChatGPT to ask or answer questions about it. Once we understand how this application works, we are going to use our knowledge to better understand what LangChain is doing for us. I know it's a bit involved right now at the start of course, but trust me, it's all going to come together by the end of the course. This is really going to give you a good overview on some of the current state of the art stuff in text generation. So let's get to it. We'll start with a quick demo. I have opened the browser with and loaded pdf.ai. You do not have to do this and try it on your own, although you are welcome to do this just to understand how well it can answer the questions. But be aware that right now the pricing in the free trial, it just allows one document to be uploaded. So I'll just upload a document. So the document we are uploading is about Amazon rainforest. It's a 16 to 20 page, around 18 page document and has all the information about the Amazon rainforest, where it came from, how the name came and other details. So what we'll do is once the document is loaded, we'll ask questions about the document, ask it to summarize and get some understanding of how it's answering and what's the understanding of the pdf.ai. And let's wait for the document to be uploaded. All right. So now let's start with some basic question. So I'll ask, where did the word Amazon come from? It takes some time, but we'll get the response. So if you see, we got a response which explains the word Amazon, and if you see it has exactly copy pasted the details from the paragraph here. And if you see, we also get the sources from where it derived the content, and it points us to the exact place where the content has been fetched from. And the answer is pretty much descriptive and enough for us to understand. Let's ask another question. Let's make it a bit, give summary of the document. So if you see this, it has done quite a good job in giving summary of the document, but maybe not in the language we wanted. So let's ask another question. Give summary of document in English. So we did get all the a bit summary of the Amazon rainforest, and it has given us the reference points from where the details have been picked up from. And in the coming videos through the courses, there will be around 150 videos course in which we'll be building the clone of this exact tool pdf.ai, and we'll see how well our tool can answer compared to pdf.ai. So trust me, you're really going to come to and understand how this is truly working. Alright, so now that we've seen this application, quick pause here. We'll come back just in a moment in the next video, and I'm going to give you a quick behind the scenes look at what this app really does and how it understands what is inside the PDF. Thank you everyone for joining.